Hi, my name is Gilberti, and I'm a partner in the Cape Cod firm of Gilberti and Pitt, where I concentrate in the area of property-based law. I'm very pleased to talk to you about Massachusetts School of Law, but before we go there, let me tell you how I got here. You could say that for me, the practice of law was a natural segue from my childhood. Italian, dinner time, debate, discussion, thinking on your feet, attention to detail. It was easy to see why I came here. And I decided very early on that law was definitely going to be the final path in my career. Although choosing a law school wasn't so easy. And my heart in going to law school was set on Syracuse University. My family lived there. It was my brother's law school alma mater. My sister eventually got her doctorate from there, so it was a natural way to go. Although friends from here, because this is where I lived in Massachusetts, told me about MSL. They didn't want to see me leave here, so I went to an open house. I was immediately impressed with MSL's mission and its faculty. And the thought of being taught law by my peers was extremely attractive to me. However, you know, that ABA stigma, if you will, loomed over my thoughts in those days. Not anymore. I'll get to the punchline on that one. It doesn't matter. But in those days, it was a tough decision. Should I? Shouldn't I? But I found myself, the more I discussed what I should do, you know, I was waitlisted at Syracuse University. I had already started at Massachusetts School of Law. You know, I found myself promoting MSL's mission. And then on the eve of my decision, two things happened. First, my brother reminded me that although his degree came from Syracuse University, he started law school and had his first year of law school at a state-accredited school in California. It's very similar to MSL. And he believed that that was his most significant year of law school, the hardest felt year of law school. And he's a top environmental attorney in the country, so can't argue with that. Next, a very close family friend who was a top criminal defense attorney in New York called me, and during our discussion, he said to me, "Carmel, if you graduate from Syracuse University and pass the bar, what are they going to call you?" I said, "Well, Attorney Gilberti." And then he said, "Well, Carmel, if you graduate from MSL and pass the bar, what are people going to call you?" And the answer is Attorney Gilberti. So I look back on that time now and I somewhat laugh over the anxiety of the decision now, because you know what? I walk into any court of law now and I am Attorney Gilberti, not MSL graduate, not anything else graduate. I am Attorney Gilberti. And that's what mattered. I loved my education at MSL, but it's an opportunity that you've got to open your eyes, pay attention, and grab, because no one's going to hand it to you, and nor should they. You know what? In getting here, it was a great journey. Upon graduation from MSL, I was hired by MSL in their challenge against the ABA in their cartel regarding legal education. And I still believe in MSL's mission. But now it's the here and now, and I'm here, and from our boutique law firm on Cape Cod, I've negotiated and closed multi-million-dollar real estate transactions. One of my most proud moments, I would say, is pioneering the concept of taking motels and converting them to apartments. It has become a win-win situation down here on Cape Cod and elsewhere in Massachusetts, so much so that many towns here on Cape Cod have incorporated the concept into their zoning bylaws. But my heart lies in litigation. And even though they're going to hear this now, I owe a lot of that success in litigation to Professors Coyne, Rudnick, and Malaguti. You know, they taught me that litigation was the mastering of skills. Substantive law, rules of procedure, rules of evidence. And you know what? There's nothing more satisfying than walking into a court of law and your opponent's on the table next to you and they want to get to the meat of their argument and you shut them down using a procedural argument. They never even get to talk. It's great. You know what? I'd be happy to talk to you more about why I love MSL and why I would encourage anyone who's serious to go there. After all, that is my alma mater. You got to be serious to go there. So, you know what? Pick up the phone. Give me a call, 508-385-4680 at my office, or email me at gilbertianpit@aol.com. I'd be happy to talk to you more, but right now, time is money, and I got to go. Thanks.